Tonight, this has become one of the most poignant images from Hurricane-Florence as firefighters pray outside of a Wilmington home where a tree fell, killing a mother and a baby. The storm is now being blamed for at least 5 deaths in North Carolina. Right now, Florence continues its assault on the Carolina coast, now striking Myrtle Beach.
A live look for you right now. We'll take a look here in just a second. The waves are crashing still. We'll get to a live look in just a little bit. We want to get right to Chris Holcomb because we've got an important update on Florence. She is actually getting a little weaker.
Yeah, downgraded now, no longer a hurricane, but now a tropical storm. This is based on the 5 o'clock update that just came in moments ago with Florence now at 70 miles an hour. So that is now a tropical storm. You can see how the center moved in earlier this morning right around the Wilmington area in North Carolina. And since then, it has been encountering land, and that's why it has seen that weakening trend. So now just has gone below hurricane strength. Now, I want folks, though, to realize that just because it has weakened a little bit, it is still going to cause a lot of rain and a lot of wind still on the North Carolina coastline and also the South Carolina coastline. Now, you mentioned Myrtle Beach. That's right here. The center of the storm is inland, so it's going to be moving just north of Myrtle Beach and continuing on into South Carolina. And here is that new track that we have right now. You can see the winds at 70 miles an hour, moving very slowly to the west at 3. And it's because of that slow movement, that's why they're going to continue to see those sustained winds and the heavy rain along the North Carolina and South Carolina coastline. So it's going to go through Saturday morning still as a tropical storm, and then by Sunday morning, we think it'll be a depression north of Columbia and then continuing to move up to the north by Sunday evening. If you'll notice this track, we're still on the good side or the west side of the track, and that track is actually inching a little bit more farther away from us. That is actually good news for us because that will reduce any of the impacts or some of the impacts that we're going to have in the metro Atlanta area and also into East Georgia. I do still think that parts of East Georgia will see some breezy conditions, some winds there, and also some rain coming in. But Atlanta now has even fewer impacts from this storm, now that this track looks like it's going to be moving a little bit more to the east. Stay with us. We are going to break down those impacts and the timing through your weekend of when we could see some of those breezes and which areas could actually see some rain. We'll talk more about that in just a bit.
All right, Chris, glad to hear that Florence is getting a little weaker.